beautiful surroundings.
Lunch we are going to eat in Riga.
Riga, Latvia. New
Sarah,
country today.
Sarah has to make city makeup.
I have to.
Yeah, but it's your habit.
What about my natural beauty?
But it's enough for me.
So, leaving behind this beautiful RMK land. I don't know the price, saying it's €3.20 for vehicles. No, ei oo auki.
Okay, there's no one, it's closed. So I think we got freebie this time. And actually I saw the map that there's also fireplaces on the river. There's a small river that goes in the forest.
Okay, you can go there too.
Really nice place. 3.2 euros, basically nothing. You can use toilets and there's a fresh water you can fill up.
Yeah, we want to support these kind of places.
Yeah, but we could do it.
Yeah. Soon new country day! Now we are in Estonia, soon we are in Latvia.
Yay!
So... all the alcohol signs tell you.
Alko 1000 market. Latvia!
And we are in Latvia! Whee!
Salakri Vasnovats.
We are in Latvia now.
Yeah, there's always when you are crossing the border, you can see the speed limits of the area. So now it's in city limits. There's 50 kilometers per hour, and outside of city limits 90.
Yeah.
First town that we could see is Viesnica.
Viesnica.
Yeah, they have really cool
football stadium.
Yeah.
You can see the mascot. Nice green. We are a bit concerned that our cupboard is
going to
fall any minute. At least there's no traffic.
Now we are just following our Google Maps, where we put tags, a lot of tags. We don't know what they are. Usually when we come here, we see what the place is. Now it's one of the largest sand cliffs in the whole Latvia, so we're gonna see that. Yeah, we don't know anything about the spots because our maps are offline, and the dots that we add to the map, we always add them like there's no name for the place, so we are not able to see what is here. Little surprise factor, it's pretty awesome. All the bugs are always attacking Sarah, not me. As you can see, I'm calm like a butterfly. No worry in the world. But yeah, let's go see the sand cliff. Dino. Old dog. Enjoying what he can.
Not much.
Not much.
People have put their initials, signature, all around. So in Estonia there was a lot of mosquitoes, but in Latvia there's a tons of horseflies. I have not decided yet which one is the worst. But bugs everywhere. But it's really beautiful here. Really beautiful places, these rest stops, they are everywhere and they are super neat and clean. We are really impressed by Latvians so far and this whole region.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Same river, and we are taking lunch break over here, so every rest stop has multiple fire pits and garbage cans and everything, so you have to put effort to your Instagram and Facebook. Drove like 2 kilometers to town of Sessis, I think. Yeah, it's old town, and actually there's a huge castle, but we cannot go in because it's closed. Let's go see the park. Baby with the owl, baby with the flowers, baby with the fish, baby with the wheat, baby with the birds, and baby with the rabbits. We visited town of Sessis, which I don't know. Maybe old Hansa town because it looked so much like old, very old German town. Yeah, I liked the old grey houses that they haven't painted them over. Really inspiring because we didn't even knew this town existed. We had just again pinpointed this town for some reason, we don't know why, but randomly, and now we are here.
Latvian people are so funny, they are so quiet and polite, but they listen to music in their car so loudly.
Yeah, that's true.
I think it's kind of contrast.
These videos comes with the approximately 2-week lag, so
Yeah, when you are watching this episode, we are not in this area
anymore.
If you want to know where we are at the moment, follow us on Instagram and Facebook because we post there.
Yes, videos take a lot of electricity to render, so we can do it only when we are plugged power, so
yeah.
That's why the lag, so we don't have to rush and find places to plug the van and render the videos.
Yeah, this way it works best for us, so
yeah.
Thank you for understanding.
Yay! What? That is
Wicked as shit.
wicked as shit. We watched the next days or next 2 days forecast, and it's promising hot. So we are changing a little bit the plans. We were actually planning to be here on this area for a couple of days, but we are now going to Riga. Okay, got safely to Riga. It was, let's say, interesting drive. We bumped into the largest pothole ever, or it was a canyon. It was like this kind of drop on the road, and our car made noises that it has never done, so I'm a bit scared if there's something broken. Actually, it's quite late at the moment, but actually we want to come here during the evening time, so this is perfect for us.
Perfect for us who are minimalist and budget traveling, because everything is closed and we don't have to buy anything. We can just admire the scenery and see the nightlife.
And it's B zone, but we don't have to care about it because at 8 p.m. this turns free parking, so no problems with that. You can see the Riga River there just beside us, and this is our
Spotchy.
spotchy for park. evening time, Riga. We left the van there and go explore the city. Actually, I've been here once, but it was working trip and I couldn't see anything. So basically, we worked the whole 2 days that we were here. So now it's time for leisure.
Let's leisure.
Okay, still we visit to Riga.
Yeah, we came back to the car. It's midnight.
Yeah, couple of hours walking and experiencing things. Old Hansa town, I liked it.
It's very clean.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
But lots of cameras.
Yeah.
Every corner of the city has some kind of camera.
Yeah, surviving. Security reasons, or is somebody watching us? What's up with those cameras?
Foil hat going on my head.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I took the public toilet that didn't cost anything and it was so clean, so I have really good memories about Riga. Not like in Malmö. It's just disgusting.
I don't even want to remember that.
Yeah. Bye bye Riga.
Bye bye Riga.
Beautiful.